the savior or destroyer of our universe? Such a cosmic question. Do you believe that the existence of Jupiter, the fifth and largest planet in our solar system, has an impact on the survival and extinction of the Earth? Yes, because Jupiter, with the help of its immense gravitational force, changes the path of asteroids and comets that approach the Earth. But this is not entirely true, and sometimes the gravitational force of Jupiter is the reason why these celestial bodies also approach the Earth. As we all know, Jupiter is the fifth and largest planet in our solar system. A gas giant, Jupiter has 2.5% more mass than the combined mass of all the other planets in the solar system. Jupiter is 318 times more massive than Earth, 11 times more massive and 1300 times larger. That means we could fit 1300 Earths on Jupiter. Since ancient times, Jupiter has been an integral part of human civilization. Jupiter holds a very important place in our religious and cultural history. Similarly, modern astronomy is studying the physical aspect of Jupiter. Several space probes have already studied Jupiter and its planetary system in detail. Many astronomers believe that Jupiter is, in a way, the protector of Earth. This is because the enormous gravitational force of these giant planets attracts dangerous asteroids and comets that are heading towards Earth, or changes their trajectory. Thus, Jupiter is said to provide a protective shield for Earth in a way. The gas giant's massive size gives it a strong gravitational pull. This is why asteroids and comets that pass through Jupiter's gravitational field are attracted to it, while smaller space objects are destroyed by collisions with Jupiter. Larger space objects are deflected from their orbits around the Sun. Many astronomers argue that this significantly reduces the chances of these space rocks hitting Earth. But some astronomers still don't believe Jupiter is Earth's friend. Instead, they argue that Jupiter's immense gravity makes it more likely that asteroids and comets wandering around like vagrants in space will crash into Earth. Early in the history of the solar system, the gravity of the newly formed gas giant stopped the formation of new planets in its vicinity. This caused smaller bodies to violently collide with each other instead of gradually joining together to form a planet. Research has shown that those smaller bodies broke up into the asteroids we have today. These countless asteroids exist between Jupiter and Mars in what is called the asteroid belt. There are countless rocks of various sizes here, which sometimes come close to Earth in the process of orbiting the Sun. The gravitational influence of Jupiter balances the gravitational influence of the Sun. This stabilizes the orbits of the asteroids most of the time. However, this enormous gravitational force sometimes causes asteroids and comets to be thrown into Earth's orbit, further increasing the possibility of causing massive destruction on Earth. Thus, this group of astronomers argues that Jupiter is not Earth's savior. Simulations have suggested that the presence of a large planet like Jupiter in our solar system may reduce the likelihood of comets from the Arctic cloud at the edge of the solar system hitting Earth. However, recent research has shown that it actually increases the likelihood of asteroids or short-period comets hitting Earth. How to protect the Earth? It is not yet clear whether Jupiter acts as Earth's protector or destroyer. Although it prevents asteroids from hitting Earth in the asteroid belt, it is unlikely to prevent comets and other small space objects from the Oort cloud from hitting Earth. Instead, astronomers believe that Jupiter's immense gravity helps them hit Earth. So, Jupiter may or may not be our ally in protecting the planet but ultimately it is our responsibility to protect ourselves. This is why the International Planetary Society is committed to continuing efforts to